We got a Stanley control grip multifunction lineman pliers, 8-inch version, 200mm, STHT81194. I have bolt cutters up here, the 2 holes, and wire strippers. Along with that, my old ones were just the pliers themselves. But the bolt cutters, if you have proper size bolt, which I have just one of them, which is fine. Screw it in as deep as you need it to go, and give it a cut, which is, there we go. And then when you back it out, sorry, hard to do this with one hand. It's not like it's easy to do everything with one hand. And when you back it out, helps clean the threads off. You got a shorter bolt, which is pretty good. And I noticed about the control grip line is basically Fat Max with the Wally World brand, because I've seen these same exact ones at Lowe's. The same metal, looks like, except the grips are different. They say Fat Max on them. But if that doesn't bother you, no big deal. Anyway, thanks for watching, and hope you subscribe, like, comment, whatever. Thanks. Bye.